Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls. I've been promising for so long to do this baby clothes quilt. It's finally time. Now, when I uploaded the really craptastic baby quilt video like a year and some odd months ago, I had no idea, zero idea that people would be that interested in it. I just threw it up there to show my journaling people what I had been doing. And the response was overwhelming. So let's make a baby clothes quilt. Now I'm going to show you two ways, or not two ways, but two different colored backgrounds, because the third and final quilt that I am making for my clients, they want crazy fabrics for the background. And I thought it would be nice to do one just with white. Now I am using girls' clothes. I got these at the thrift store. And I think this is going to be my centerpiece. And then we have I got like 9. Now, this is the back, but I think I'm going to put that towards the front just because it's cute. That's why. So you can kind of see the different things you can use. I may take the tags out because you don't want them showing. So think about that. Think about these kind of tags, taking them out. Make sure they're clean and fairly well pressed. This one's going to have to be ironed. Can tell that. The sweater stuff, not so much. Oh, so cute. I don't do cute, but look how cute. Look it. I don't know what those go to. Maybe this. I'm sorry. It is just too adorable. So I'm going to guess this is probably going to be maybe 60-inch square. And I'm going to use a white sheet. Now, I bet you think I'm going to just pin them on there and sew them down. No, you have to do it. We got to cut some blocks and cut them for each outfit, and then we will piece them together, and we can always add more to make it all fit. Trust me, I've done enough of these now, because you're going to use your sewing machine. Okay, you can hand sew them, but I have found that the sewing machine is way quicker. But there's certainly nothing wrong with hand sewing them. But you'll figure out how big your outfits are. Let's just take this outfit right here. And here's our grid. So you want at least 2 inches on the side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 inches wide by 24 inches can tell this is 24 inches or maybe even 25. So get yourself a notebook. So for the yellow and black, we're going to cut it, what did I say? If I went that way, it would be better. Oh, 22 wide by 20, 24, 25. Let's say 26 long. Okay. Okay, understand? Let's do one more. This one might be smaller. Also, if you want, you can fold the arms in like that. Or you can fold one up like that. So that's your 2 inches there. You still want it 24, but you can get away with 17 or 18. So purple and striped, purple onesie, and striped pants is 18 by 25. And if it was going to go next to this one, we would add an inch later. Or maybe we could take an inch off of this, like ½ inch off the top, ½ inch off the bottom, to make it fit next to this one. So that's how you get your sizes. So I am doing a queen size quilt for my clients. And I let the little girl, Olivia, pick out her outfits. So I will do the same thing, figure out what size fabrics I need. But since I'm not going to use white for this, I have another decision to make too. I have crazy fabrics. So this is all Olivia's stuff, and also her uncle who is deceased. The grandma wanted one of his outfits in there. So I'm going to have crazy fabrics like this. So I have to decide which outfits are going to go with which fabrics. So that's also something to decide. This is a thin corduroy. Cotton is your best bet. But generally these quilts are going to be keepsakes. They're not going to be on the bed. Even though this is a queen size quilt, I am sure they're going to put it up, because I have another quilt that I make out of their blankets that they actually get to use, which will be a whole nother series in and of itself. So that's a crazy fabric. This is a crazy fabric. This is a crazy fabric. Which, wouldn't this look cute with this? See? So you got to make some decisions. You got to figure out your size of your block, and get your clothes all nice and pressed and the tags taken out of them. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to pin them and zigzag around them, and we'll do one by hand just in case. So get them clothes ready. Oh, wouldn't it be great for a grandma if you had boys and girls? So think that way too. It doesn't have to be all girls, doesn't have to be all boys. It can be either, but it can be both for a grandparent or an aunt and uncle, or I don't know. Grandparent probably would be better. But think about it. Think about it and look at all the cuteness. There's cuteness galore. Cuteness galore. And we will see what it's like when we're done.